Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys.
We are from the Department of Fisheries Resource Utilization, Faculty of Fisheries and Marine Science, University of Riau. Hi everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Today we have a special topic that has been making wave in the education sector. But before we dive into that, let's get up and see what new with my friend. How are you doing today?
Hi, I am doing great. Excited to be here and discuss some important issue with you. It's been a hectic week, but I'm ready to tackle this topic hand one.
That's awesome to hear. So let's not keep our listener waiting. Today, we are going to address the recent controversial issue of the drafted increase in UKT at University of Riau. It has sparked discussion and concern among students and the academic community. Let's unpack this topic and explore its impact. Are you ready to dive into this discussion?
Absolutely, let's get into it and sit some like one this pressing matter. I'm eager to share insight and perspective on the UKT High University Riau. Let's do this.
Alright, let's dive straight into the heart of the matter. The reason uproar surrounding the significant increase in UKT at University of Riau has sent shockwave through the academic community and beyond. The sharp rise in tuition fees has raised concern about accessibility to higher education and the financial burden in place on students and their families. Many aspiring students have been forced to reconsider their education forced due to the exorbitant cost leading to the important impact. Many aspiring students have been forced to resign their education forced due to the export cost leading to the potential impact on.
Absolutely, the sudden and drastic hike in UKT at University Riau has sparked debates on the transparency and fairness of the free sector. Students and stakeholders are questioning the relative and substantial increase and the implication it has on equal opportunity for education. The affordability of education is a fundamental right, and my barriers to accessing quality education must be addressed to ensure inclusivity and diversity with the academic environment.
It's crucial to understand the root cause of this fee hike and explore sustainable solutions that prioritize the well-being of students and the integrity of the education institution by engaging in open dialogue, advocating for the student rights, and promoting financial aid initiatives. We can work toward a more equitable and supportive educational system. Let's unpack the complexities of the UKT issue at University of Riau and delve deeper into the implication it has on the educational landscape. Stay tuned as we navigate through this pressing topic with critical analysis and constructive insight. Let's make a difference in shaping the future of education together.
As we continue to decide the implication of the UKT at Universitas Riau, it's crucial to consider the broader impact on education equity and social mobility. The accessibility of education should not be determined by financial constraints, but be merit and potential. The addressing the disparate institution is ensuring a vibrant and inclusive education environment We can empower students from different background to pursue their academic aspiration with you and the financial burden.
The discourse surrounding the UKT issue necessitates a revelation of the priorities and values within the education system. It calls for a re-examination of the policy and practice the government tuition fees to ensure they align with principle of fairness and equal opportunity. It's essential to advocate for policies that prioritize the welfare of students and promote a supportive ecosystem that fosters academic excellence and social progress.
Moving forward, it's imperative for stakeholders to have in constructive dialogue and collaborative effort to address the challenges posed by the UKT High by fostering a culture of transparency, accountability, and student countering discussion making. We can work toward a more sustainable and equitable education. Let's amplify the voice of those affected by the UKT issue and strive to create a positive can the benefit the NTV University community. Together we can pass the way for a brighter and more inclusive future in higher education state. Tanit for more insightful discussion on the specific topic in our coming episode.
In addressing the challenge posed by the step increase in UKT at University of Riau, it is essential to explore sustainable solutions that promote affordability and accessibility to education. One possible solution could involve the implementation of need-based financial aid program to support students from low-income background by offering scholarship, grant, and flexible payment option. We can alleviate the financial burden on students and ensure that no one is left behind due to financial constraints.
Education fostering a culture of transparency and accountability with the university administration in crucial involving state and provincial funds in the decision making process related to tuition fees. Any student in the dialogue and decision making process can profit from valuable insight and perspective that can lead to more stable changing policies and trust.
Collaborative effort between university, stakeholders, students, and policymakers are vital in finding long-term solutions to the UKT issue. By working together to reflect the fee structure, prioritize student welfare, and advocate for equitable access to education, we can create a more inclusive and supportive educational environment for all. Let's continue to push for positive change and advocate for policies that practice and well-being and academic success of every student at University of Riau. Together, we can make a difference and pave the way for a brighter future in higher education.
We had today discussion the UKT situation at Universitas Riau. We sort of to every tuning in the join the conversation. It's been real sharing together an idea on how we can make a difference in the education scan. Let's keep the momentum going and continue passing for positive change. Get you on the flip side and remember together we can create a bright future in education.
Absolutely, fam. It's been lit diving into such an important topic with you all. Thanks for being part of the awesome discussion. Let's take the energy from today and channel it into action. Stay woke, stay engaged, and let's be the change we want to see in the world. Peace out and catch you on the next episode for more real talk and impactful discussion. Let's keep it real and keep pushing for a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching.